Welcome to the Sat-Coord Article 5 database browsing tutorial. In this tutorial I'll explain what Article 5 is and show you the kind of information you can retrieve from this database. Article 5 of the Radio Regulations is the International Telecommunication Union's table of frequency allocations, which defines the authorized use of each part of the radio spectrum worldwide. You can find out more information and obtain your own copy of the Radio Regulations by visiting the ITU website. A link is provided in the description below this video. Sat-Coord comes bundled with the Article 5 database, and you can open it by clicking on the Browse menu item and then selecting Article 5 Database. A new database browsing tab will open from which we can investigate the database. On the right-hand side of the screen are a number of searches giving us information from the Article 5 database. This includes information on the services, whether they are primary allocations or not, the frequency band or range, the ITU region, and the note number and note text information. You can get more information on a particular search by selecting it and then pressing the F1 key. For this tutorial I'm going to do a frequency band search on the database, and it will show me all of the frequency bands which currently have information in the Article 5 database. I can then pick a particular frequency band, for example the KU band, and then perform further searches to retrieve more detailed information on the Article 5 database entries associated with the KU band. For example, next I can do the service type search on the KU band to see which service types are available. We can see that there are a number of different services available in the KU band, and we could do further searches from here. For example, to see the exact frequency allocations associated with the service, or to see the regions these allocations apply in, or to see the notes associated. If you click on the Summary button in the toolbar, it will launch a new Summary tab which replicates the Article 5 table in HTML format for just the portion with overlapping frequency bands to the data we have selected from the tree. So for this example, we can only see frequency allocations in the table for which the broadcasting satellite service is available. The HTML output provides links to the notes as well as highlighting the note on mouse over. There are two different summaries available for the Article 5 browser. I've shown you the default summary, and next let me show you the filtered summary. If we close this tab and go back to our Article 5 database browsing tab, if we instead pick the summary filtered icon in the toolbar, this will now also show a portion of the Article 5 table, but this time it will filter the service, note, and region data to just the data we have selected. For this example, we can only see the broadcasting satellite service and only notes that apply to that. The two different summaries are useful for different tasks, but in general we would recommend that the standard summary, rather than the filtered summary, is used, so you are sure you are looking at the complete Article 5 table, albeit for just the frequency ranges you are interested in. The last part of this tutorial will show you how you can view an Article 5 summary from an SNS database. To do this, we need to open an SNS database browsing tab. So if we click on the Browse menu item and then choose an SNS database, for this example I'll open the SOS. Now if we browse in the SOS for administration and then satellite network name, we can retrieve the Article 5 data associated with the frequencies included with an output from an SOS database by selecting the relevant node in the output tree. Here I will select the satellite network name of AMSAT A4 and then press on the Article 5 Summary button in the toolbar. This will open a new Article 5 Summary tab showing an extract from the Article 5 table in HTML format for the frequencies included in the AMSAT A4 network. This ends the Article 5 database browsing tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact us using the information in the description below.